Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with the 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated cooled seats, Google Assistant, as well as a Liner Canopy, truck bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior in this brown and gray two-tone interior, paneling coupled with storage on the bottom here, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. They'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and the wooded chrome accents. You also get the black wedding boards here as well, easy step. And the seats are going to have these gray, power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. Super nice. Left side, you're going to have your ventilation as well as your heads-up display control. And below, you'll have your lighting control and drive mode selector. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. 2 paddle shifters right behind. Onto the odometer, it's all digital as you can see. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, trip info, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. And onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your mirror cams and truck bed. You can access Wi-Fi hotspot as well as Amazon Alexa in My Chevrolet. Below, you're going to have lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop. Below, with the wood chrome accent, you're going to have the trailer brake controller next to your dual zone climate control, 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, you're going to have the brand new shifter, as well as cup holder, wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated, wood and chrome all the way across as well. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment, heads-up display, regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're going to have these 20-inch wheels on Nokian Hakkapeliitta tires. You're going to have the Duramax badge on your hood, chrome mirror caps, chrome keyless entry door handle. You got the Liner Canopy as well with the chrome corner step bumper, the dual exhaust, and trailer hitch at 5th wheel just under. Up here, so you're going to have a Truck Hero bed rug liner. You're going to have lamps and hooks in the back, as well as an AC wall port still on the bottom here. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome accent. You got lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, ventilation, and USB ports. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You also got storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ, equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as bed rug from Truck Hero liner, Liner Canopy, heated ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.